Having apps you no longer use cluttering your dock, Launchpad, or even worse, taking up precious storage space? Let's get those apps uninstalled the right way. First, locate the application you want to uninstall. You'll usually find it in your Applications folder, easily found in the Finder window. Now, the most common method, simply drag the application icon from the Applications folder directly to the trash can in your dock. Empty the trash afterwards. Right-click the icon to reveal your choices. Another quick trick is using Launchpad. Just find the app you'd like removed. Then, simply press and hold the app until they all begin to jiggle. Then, click the small X that appears on the app icon. Confirm that you want to delete the app, click Delete, and just like that, it's gone. Some apps, especially larger ones, may leave residual files behind. A dedicated uninstaller, like Clean Me Mac X, can help you find and remove these leftover files, ensuring a completely clean uninstall. Advanced users can manually search for these files in the Library folder located within your User folder. But be very careful deleting files in here, as it can cause malfunctions if deleting the wrong files. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall apps on your MacBook effectively, freeing up space and keeping your system running smoothly. Keep watching for even more helpful MacBook tips and tricks.